We're so grateful to have Inner Spark back, starting the year with an empowerment exercise, and that sense of belief, belonging, and the fact that you can achieve what you want to is something really, really important.
The Happiness Workshop focuses on allowing our young people to believe in themselves, to step into their maximum confidence, and even just light the touch paper of that inner spark that can transform not just our society, but dare I say it, the world.
Listening to what Jermaine said about how we can change our mindset made me view myself in a different way.
It's helped me think more positive about myself, and I can find new ways to cope with different challenges.
It's really inspiring me to keep pushing for the goals that I want to achieve.
I know now that I'm going to feel more confident about myself every day.
The feedback from the workshop has been really positive. They didn't really know what to expect, but they've left saying that they feel a little bit more confident, they feel really positive, and I think getting them up and moving is a really good way to set a positive start to the year.
I think the board breaking was my favourite part.
Now, it's not just about the physical act, it's about what that represents. It represents the fact that they can break through in their mind, body and spirit and achieve everything they want to achieve whilst not listening to that annoying little voice that says they can't.
It is a very powerful thing, and it's made me feel much empowered more about myself.
It's such an powerful, impactful way to start the school year.